Good day to you all. What we are going to talk about today is how to create a 2D or 3D animation. So we are going to use the same the one we use with that of whiteboard animation. That's the render forest. I'm going to use my Chrome, also renderforest.com. So you click on get started. What do you want to create? You want to create a video, short video animation. So you click on video. When you click on video, this 3D. Let's click on our 2D animation. Then you click on create now. Then you type your script. Let me type my script. Type your script. I just paste it on there. So every script you write, you must put a paragraph or a comma or a full stop that describe a one sentence per script. So let me generate my project. Generate the project. So as you can see, it is 5 scripts. So let me generate the project. So as you can see, it has pop up. So that's it. So what you are going to do now is that I may decide, you may add text to what you have right. So you may leave it like this. Let me leave it like this. I may decide to change to replace this picture. Let me replace it with something else. I've replaced it with this. So this have a nice day. Let me also have a nice day. Let me replace it also. Let me replace it. So that's it. We are finished our editing. Hello all, and blah 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 blah. So that's it. So we are finished. So we click on different templates. You choose the one you want. That's themes. A lot of things. You may change the color of the. So let's put on music. Let's add the music to it. have had our music. So that's it, we have our music. Then you click on, then we have finished our editing. Then you this low quality, you click on free preview. The video, your video is in the queue. So see our video have finished download. So that's it. So we have, let's download our video. Let's download our video. The video is downloading. Let's